Hi, my name is Nadia Spellman, and I'm the daughter of two of Boston's most famous Chinese restaurateurs. I was inspired by my parents to launch Dumpling Daughter, serving authentic Chinese home-style fare from generations of our family's recipes. Dumpling Daughter's mission is to make people happy one dumpling at a time. Dumplings are the ultimate comfort food, simple, yummy, and easy to cook. I'm so excited to share our family's recipes with you. Now let's make some dumplings. On high heat, bring 6 cups of water to a rapid boil. Drop 8 to 12 dumplings into the water carefully. Stir by pushing the dumplings from the bottom to the top to prevent them from sticking, and return to a boil. Add 2 cups of cold water and bring to a boil again. Now that the water is boiling again, turn the heat down to medium and continue cooking for 5 to 6 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you've reached 5 to 6 minutes of cook time, the dumplings should be floating and a little bit inflated. Shut off the heat and remove with a slotted spoon. Let them cool off a little bit and enjoy. For pan-seared dumplings, pat the dumplings dry with a paper towel. Heat the frying pan on medium until warm. Add the vegetable oil and lightly sear the dumplings until golden. Let them cool off a little bit and enjoy. Now let's make the buns. First, put the steam basket in the pot. Add enough water to meet the bottom of the basket. Cover the pot with the lid and bring to a boil. Once the water is boiling, adjust the heat to medium. Remove the lid, place buns in the basket. Cover the buns. From frozen, steam the buns for approximately 14 minutes. From thawed, steam the buns for approximately 8 minutes. Buns should be at an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit when done. For pan-seared buns, remove the paper from the bottom of the buns. Heat the frying pan on medium until warm. Add vegetable oil and lightly sear the buns on the flat side until golden crispy. Don't forget to pick up a bottle of our family's secret sauce, a recipe that has passed through generations, our spicy sweet soy sauce that can go on practically anything.